What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. This video I want to continue with examples to use the laws of exponent to simplify rational exponents. As you see here, we have some rational exponents here and I want to simplify it. The first thing is x to the power of 4 to the power of half. So it's going to be x to the power of 4 to the power of half. You use the product rule, you multiply them. It's going to be x to the power of 4 over 2. It's going to be x to the power of 2. Next one is going to be 2 to the power of 6 to the power of 1 over 3. It's going to be 2 to the power of 6 over 3, which is going to be 2 to the power of 2, which is 4. Next one is y to the power of 9 to the power of 2 over 3. That makes it y to the power of 9 times 2 over 3. That makes it y to the power of 6. Next example, three to the power of 10 to the power of 1 over 5, 2 to the power of 8 to the power of 3 over 4, and x to the power of 6 to the power of 4 over 3, and then we have y to the power of 9 2 over 9. The answer will be 3 to the power of 10 to the power of 1 over 5. You just multiply them. It's going to be 10 times 1 over 5 is going to be 10 over 5. It's going to be 3 squared. It's going to be 9. This one is 2 to the power of 8, 3 over 4. 2 to the power of 8 times 3 over 4, which is 2 to the power of 6. And 2 to the power of 6 is going to be 64. Next one is x to the power of 6, 4 over 3. Going to be x to the power of 6 times 4 over 3, and x to the power of 8. Y to the power of 9 to the power of 2 over 9. Y to the power of 9 times 2 over 9. That makes it y squared. This is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.